Now, dear student, we are going to start about longitudes. In Hindi, we can say longitude means deshantar. Longitude lines, deshantar rekha. Longitude lines vertically draw over the globe. In the case of latitude line, horizontally draw over the globe, which we studied earlier. But here longitudes draw vertically over the globe. Longitudes are the set of imaginary vertical lines. Latitude also imaginary, काल्पनिक रेखाएं. Longitude also imaginary line, which draw from north to south pole, vertical direction. These lines are semicircle. Circle means which completely make a circumference over the surface. Latitude are the circle, but longitude are the semicircle, because longitude start from the north pole and move towards the south pole and submerge. It means draw from north pole to south pole. That is why these lines known as semicircle lines. Longitudinal lines also equal in the length. The length of longitude is equal. It means from 0 degree, 1, 2, 3, likewise similar, following up to 180 degree, west direction. These all are equal in the length. From 0 to 180 eastward direction, from 0 to 180 westward direction. 0 degree longitudinal line known as prime meridian, which passes through the London place, Greenwich, where Royal British Observatory is located. These lines are important for the calculation of time. Here is written east plus, here is written west plus minus. East plus means if we move from 0 degree towards the east direction, then time will increase, which we studied in early video. When we move from 0 degree towards the west direction, time will decrease. West direction, time decrease, because here is written west minus. Towards the east direction, time will increase, here written plus. So these are the some informations regarding the longitudes. B side, from 0 to 180 considered eastern hemisphere, and from 0 to 180 west direction considered the western hemisphere. This one is also information regarding the longitudinal lines. B side, now dear student, I am going to discuss about grid system. The term grid system. What is grid system? If we follow the globe, then we can find easily some lines are moving vertically from 0 degree prime meridians near the north pole towards the south pole. These lines are vertical in nature. These lines are the imaginary line, vertical line, which is known as longitudinal line. Earlier we have studied. B side, some line over the globe moving from west to east direction. as a horizontal manner by following 0 degree latitudes 1, 2, 3, 4 by this way up to the 90 degree near the pole in both hemispheres. Here we easily got one line is vertical, another line is horizontal. Vertical line is known as longitudinal line, horizontal line is known as latitudinal line. Here I point out what means of these points. These are the places, not only point out place, every place where these two lines are intersecting to each other. मीन्स जहाँ पे वर्टिकल और हॉरिजेंटल लाइन एक दूसरे को काटती हैं, तो व्हेन longitudinal line and latitudinal line intersecting to each other, then they form grid, and by forming grid, such grid are useful for locating any place. We have one example which given in your book about Nasik. Nasik in India, located in Maharashtra state. Nasik is located where 20 degree latitudinal line, this line is the 20 degree north latitudinal line, and here one line come longitudinal line. Vertically, number of longitude is 74 degree east. 74 degree east longitude and 20 degree north latitude intersecting to each other here. On the same intersecting point, Nasik is located. So by this way we can say grid system useful for locating any place all over the world, on the globe, over the map. And in the case of grid system formed by intersecting longitudinal line and latitudinal line to each other. I hope you can understand by this way about the grid system.